Just look at this, guys. I said super and I summoned it. I'm opening another box of Hot Wheels, guys. Let's see if I finally get a super treasure hunt. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep opening Hot Wheels boxes until I get a super treasure hunt. This month we've already got 2. Let's see how many we get in a month. And I want to take this opportunity to thank my friends at Racing Cars Querétaro who send me these boxes. Follow them on all their social media. Just like that, Racing Cars Querétaro. And remember that at the end of this video, I'm going to show you which are the best pieces, which box it is. And let's hope that this time we get a super treasure hunt. Super treasure hunts are the most valuable and sought after Hot Wheels cars, costing up to 5,000, 3,000, 2,000 or 1,000 pesos, depending on the model. Let's get started, gentlemen, with a custom 72 Chevy LUV. I like this orange color, it looks nice. I'll show a modified Chevy I really like, but it hasn't sold well. I'll list sought after items on the left and less popular ones on the right. This one I think it goes there because of the variant. Let's give it a chance and put them with the ones people will want. A case swap. I'm not making this up, gentlemen. I say this based on what I look for and notice during hunts, what's left and what people take. Alright, a time shifter. Notice that this one has a blue color, which looks nice, huh? Even though it's not a sought after piece, it looks really, really nice. Let's put it over here. Now let's continue with this beauty. This one really is beautiful. It's a shame about red windshield. But you can't turn down a Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500. Although a lot of people like me don't like red windshields. Tell me, do you like it? Are you gonna take it or are you gonna let it go? Let's put it over here. Let's continue, gentlemen, with this piece. New model from 2026 of our Strike. It reminds me a little of the Camino from the back, of one that's been modified. Sort of Mad Max style. I don't think this one's in high demand. Let's set it aside, but it could be modified into a gem. We've already seen this Dodge Dart in several previous boxes, a 68 Dodge Dart. The paint it has looks nice. It looks really, really nice. This is an American box. How do I know? Because it says lifetime warranty here. Here we have an Eric stain rod. It's another familiar one. It's coming out again in several boxes. These are pieces that people aren't picking up. An egg. Where do we put this egg, gentlemen? A fantasy vehicle. New model for 2026. We saw it in the last box. It's a little spoon with a little egg on top that's ready for you to eat. These cars are really weird, but just because they're weird doesn't mean they're going to be a good model. And usually these end up hanging on the pegs. Where would you put it? I'll put it on this side since I don't think it'll be that popular. Let's go with another piece, another Dodge Dart. There are 2 in this box, cars that have been hanging on the pegs, folks. Here's another piece, a custom 2020 Honda E, a new 2026 model. That's also nice. 2-3 calling the Saint. I think this one will end up hanging on the pegs. Let's put it here. Cross your fingers for the Super Treasure Honda. Oh, something fell. Honda Prelude in black. This one reminds me of a car from Fast and Furious, the Honda Civics that appeared in Fast and Furious, to be exact. It's detailed in the back. Perfect in the front, not so much. Let's put it in. I don't know, let's give it a chance because there are just a few so far. There are 3 of the sought after ones that aren't really all that sought after. Out of 7, right? A Honda 330 from 1964. What do you think? We've seen this design and paint job on several cars already. Let's put this one aside. This box isn't off to a good start. Let's hope it improves. Oh, how nice! A Diora tune. I hadn't seen this one in person before. Well, not that it's a real person, but you know what I mean. It's nice. How cute.
Oh, so cute!
It looks like a little alien. 2-3. Calling the Saint. Don't be scared. It's cute. The paint looks cool, almost like Spectra, and gives it an alien vibe. The front isn't detailed. Oh, poor thing! The back part isn't detailed either. I think this one is going to be one of the sought after ones because it's so unusual. If they make a lot of them, it's going to end up hanging around. But for now, let's put it over here. This piece has also turned into a peg warmer, a white color variant. We've had it in many other variants before. So this one goes on this side. Let's continue with the flipping fast. Mattel has a program where they support children in various areas, right? So if you can, buy it. If you like it, buy it. Unfortunately, they're ending up as peg warmers. They're not in high demand. A Forqueta race. It's also very, very nice. I like this one. I think it's a piece that shouldn't be missing from your collection. Let's put it on this side. A Maserati Tipo 61. It also comes in the previous box. New 2026 model in white. It's not detailed in the front, not in the back either. Let's put it on this side. All right, now we have a Mazda RX-3. Also very cool. The card looks nice in blue. Let's put it on this side. Another piece, a custom 66. In the previous video, I told you this one looked like the cars from Fast and Furious. I still think so. Something I really liked about this car is that it doesn't have doors. I mean, it's closed. You have to get in through the window. Just like the legendary General Lee. Let's continue with another piece, a Dodge Charger Hellcat. The color looks nice. It's like gray, right? Shiny gray. Nice gray. Let's put it on this side. Alright, another piece, a Ford Sierra Cosworth. Now in a pink variant, it's a car that has already had several other variants before. It's not that sought after. Let's put it on this side. This box doesn't look good, but that's why Batman arrives, in a powerful Batboat. Now I said it right. The 66 version in dark black. It's nice. Its stripes look good. It's a piece that's being highly sought after and hoarded by all the collectors and even by those who aren't really collectors. We have a Honda Civic Type R in green. Green is one of my favorite colors, but this one doesn't look that cool. Let's put it on this side. This has been out for years and just sits on shelves. I don't know why they keep releasing it. Pieces like this should be discontinued. But anyway, there's one with a new variant in black with white stripes. It doesn't look bad, but it's a model that people just don't pick up anymore. Because, well, there are just too many. 2 more pieces. Don't freak out. Don't go crazy. We have a Lock Block in yellow and a Dodge 330 in white. Let's go with another awesome piece. A Morgan Super 3 in gray, which isn't being sought after that much either. Let's put it on this side. This box doesn't look good, gentlemen. An Audi R3 Spider in black. I do like this one. It's nice. Let's put it on this side. T9 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC3S. But then I said the whole thing. The paint looks great with detailed front and back. This car's previous variants have been peg warmers, but let's give this one a chance because this box hasn't been going well. Another piece, a pedal driver. Let's put it on this side. New version of the pedal driver. 2 more pieces. An 8 crate. This piece also comes out every year in multiple versions, and these are the pieces that just hang on the pegs. I think they bring them back and repaint them. An Eric Stein Rock also in green. It goes on this side. A solar reflex vehicle. Solar vehicle. You can see its solar panels there. It runs on sunlight. Obviously, that's just fantasy because in real life this wouldn't happen. You'd need a huge panel. But anyway, it's a nice piece that goes on this side. Unfortunately, it's not very sought after or highly valued. A Honda City Turbo 2 in black. These are pieces that also end up just hanging there. Nobody takes them. They go unnoticed. Roger Dodger in black. A legendary vehicle, gentlemen. Legendary. Now, in dark black from the Hot Wheels Fan Drivers series. The Fan Driver. They're the favorites of all the fans. And this Roger Dodger has a lot of history. It has to be one of the fan favorites. Remember that all these kinds of surveys and votes can be done on the Mattel Creation website. There they do surveys, voting, and there are forums where the designers and people from Mattel see all the comments. Or well, most of them. Tim Schiffler too. We already saw that there's one in this box. There are 2. Let's go to the back. This is where we have to pray to the collector's saint so we get the super treasure hunt from this box. Let's go. Let's hope we're lucky. Honda Civic Custom. Just look at that. Just look at that, gentlemen. I said super and I summoned it. I called it. I told you. Opening boxes until we get the super treasure hunt, and we get the super treasure hunt from this box. Honda Civic Custom. Nice piece. Beautiful piece. Come on. Come on. We're lucky today. How do you identify a super treasure hunt? Rubber tires. Although this tire is kind of strange. It has rubber tires in the front. I think the one in the back isn't even rubber. But it's nice too. Spectra paint. Here, somewhere it should say treasure hunt. Here you can see it says treasure hunt. Here it is. Here is the treasure hunt marking. Back here on the card. There's a flame. Man, I can't quite see it. You won't be able to see it either. But anyway, there's a little golden flame here. I'll leave it on the screen for you. You can see it there. And it has the TH logo, right? Nice piece. It's beautiful. I told you guys, the super had to come out in this box. Come on, super treasure hunt. Corvette C7 Z06. Also nice in pink. This one obviously goes on this side. We'll set it aside because that one is special. With that one, guys, the box was worth it. With that one, it was worth it. With that one, we hit the jackpot. Come on, Scuderia Ferrari. Oh, Ferrari, the famous Ferrari from basic Hot Wheels. Look at the paint job on it. It's Spectra type paint. Very similar to Spectra. It looks really good. It's fire. By the way, we're doing customs. If you want a custom from yours truly. On Instagram, we have them. Check out the paint. Fire. Very similar, but I think mine looks better. a really cool piece. I'm from Formula One. Come on, nice piece. Come on. I know. Now the haters, they set it up so you could make your video. As if that were possible. Come on. Chevelle SS Wagon F87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. These two go over here. They're not that sought after. A Mazda RX-3. Come on, that one goes on this side. Two nice little pieces. That alone made the box worth it, gentlemen. We have a Pagani Huayra Roadster. Also beautiful. A Mille. Very nice too. This one goes here. Though, it's been hanging for a while since there are many variants. Let's place it here. Obviously, this one goes over there. I got excited, gentlemen. How could I not? Another Pedra Drivers, 2 per box. Goes on this side. And over here we have an Aston Martin. This one is nice. The new 2026 model. Look at the air intakes. It looks gorgeous. Very beautiful. The back part isn't detailed. The front part is, let's say it's half detailed, right? Because the headlights, or the part that lights up the headlights, well, they're made of plastic. They go along with the windshield. Let's put it on this side because, well, the box, let's say it's not going as well as I would like. We have a K-swap. White. There are 3 of them, if I'm not mistaken. Another new model for 2026. Now in a new variant, an install bust. We've already seen it in a previous variant. This one is transparent. Let's go for 2 more pieces. Another install bust. I mean, it's nice. It's not a piece that's sought after. That's why I put it on this side. But the truth is that it's turning into a peg warmer. Personally, I like it because I like coffee. So that's why I say it's nice. Even though it's not highly sought after, we have a Barbie Dream Camper in a new purple variant. The pink one sold and was one of the most popular for a long time. Now, I guess this one won't be as sought after, but it still goes on this side, right? When this camper came out, it was really expensive. Really expensive. This is a gem, gentlemen. The famous Diora 2. If they hadn't removed the pink boards, it would have been snapped up. Unfortunately. With this design, people don't want it anymore. We got used to great things, but now we have this. Still, it's a nice piece. The paint looks amazing. This Diora 2 is truly beautiful. It could be in this new mold. It's been sitting on the pegs. If a Diora 2 with the previous mold, would you leave it behind or not? Obviously, you'd take it. Another Diora. Oh, how cool. How beautiful you are. This one goes on this side. A Homer car, gentlemen, from The Simpsons. This one is awesome. I love this Homer mobile. It's great that new pieces are coming out because the other one, the first edition, is getting expensive. Over 100 pesos. And this one obviously should be cheaper, right? And when more pieces come out, it gets even a little cheaper. We continue with the 2024 Aston Martin. The box is getting better. In the end, it turned out well. And there it goes, a Pagani Huayra Roadster. This one has also been sitting on the pegs. Let's put it on this side. A Mazda RX-7. Let's give it a chance and put it on this side. Here it comes, a Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. It's been a while since a new variant appeared. This green fluorescent looking version looks really cool. It's a piece that a lot of collectors like. It's detailed on the back. On the front, it also has its little headlights. Good piece. It goes on this side. Look how beautiful it is. Gorgeous. The Mexican one, the famous truck. The green truck, gentlemen. I love how it looks. The gold one looks impressive, but this one also looks really, really good. Wow, how about that, huh? Lane Low is the series it's from. It's nice. Let's put it on this side because of the color it has. I think Mattel has really improved a lot with their paint. Gordon Murray Automotive. We've already talked about this piece in previous videos. It's a very beautiful piece. If you see it and you like it, take it. It's worth it. The box is coming together. Not exactly how I want, but it's getting there. It's getting there. A Mazda Savannah RX-7 in orange. We also saw it in the last box, detailed on the back. Detailed on the back and on the front with 2 stripes. That's enough to make it look really, really nice. We're almost done, gentlemen. A Verstrike in yellow. And another egg. In this box, there are also 2 eggs. In case anyone needs one, you can get it here. That's right, with our friends from Racing Cars, you can get it. You can get them. Bubbler Prof in orange. Transparent fantasy car that goes on this side. And there are 2 more pieces. An Audi R8 Spider. A Honda City Turbo. This one's nice, let's place it here. It's also been sat on the pegs in earlier variants, and the unwanted Honda City Turbo stays there. Come on, Lock Block. I don't know why Mattel suddenly releases so many pieces of those. They pick a line and just keep releasing and releasing and releasing. Sadly, Lock Block goes on this side. Alright, 2 left. This one's nice. New model for 2026. It looks cool. It's a Bouncin' Bass. It represents a modified truck like the ones you see at car audio shows. It's a Lin Low, that is a low rider type vehicle. It has speakers in the back. It looks nice. The color it has is beautiful. There's only one, and that's why I'm going to put it on this side, because there's only one. A Corvette C7Z06, also nice. It goes on this side. Here comes a Bone Shaker. This is an old acquaintance, an old friend. It came out many years ago, and this is still one of the cars that sells out. Sometimes a few are left, but they're among the first to go. So let's put it on this side. Here are two more pieces. Another transparent car, a powerful custom Tornado. Also pretty decent, honestly. The paint job is really nice. A vehicle, like I said, kind of like Fast and Furious. And last but not least, a family car. It's one of the most sought after vehicles in the basic Hot Wheels line, right? We all love The Simpsons. So this vehicle is a real gem. And well, I'm going to show you this box. Surely many of you already know. It's the F2026 box. And the Super Treasure Hunt, which is this beauty we have here. Guys, if you like this video, I'll leave another one over here that's also really good. Don't forget to comment, subscribe to the channel. And don't say, oh look, I'm going to show you, because sometimes I forget. Check this out. It's completely sealed. You can see that. Completely sealed. It's not like they opened it, like someone messed with it. But I know there's always someone who'll say they reseal them, that it's resealed. Oh, he doesn't know how to do anything. It's for his videos. He promotes Mattel. What can I say? See you next time. Be happy. Goodbye. Bye.